Most of the AI advice you're hearing right now is wrong. Not a little wrong, backwards. It's written by people who sell AI tools or chase views or have never actually run a business that has to make payroll. I run 4 businesses, 1 person, no employees, all of it held together by AI. So I've tested this stuff with my own money, not somebody else's. And almost everything the internet tells small business owners about AI will cost you time, money, or both. Here's what's actually true. First, understand where the advice comes from. 82% of small businesses have already put money into AI. That's a huge market, so everybody's selling to it. The tool companies want you to believe AI is magic because magic sells subscriptions. The gurus want you to believe it's complicated because complicated sells courses. And the loudest voices online are optimizing for clicks, not for your bank account. None of them are sitting where you're sitting, trying to get more customers this month without hiring anyone. So when the advice sounds exciting, ask one question. Would the person saying this bet their own money on it? Usually the answer is no. Let me walk through the 5 things they get wrong and what to do instead. Myth number 1, AI will save your business. It won't. AI is an amplifier. If your offer is weak, AI helps you send a weak offer to more people faster. That's not saving your business, that's speeding up the leak. I've watched people automate outreach for a product nobody wanted. All the AI did was help them get ignored at scale. Here's the order that actually works. First, a real offer people want. Second, a way to get in front of them. Distribution. Only then does AI make sense because now you have something worth amplifying. AI is the last mile, not the first. If sales are broken, fix the offer before you touch a single tool. Myth number 2, automate everything. This one sounds smart and it's a trap. Trying to automate everything is how people spend 3 months building systems they never use. You don't need everything automated. You need the boring, repetitive tasks that quietly leak money. There are 3 that matter for almost every small business. Following up with leads. Most businesses lose more money to slow follow-up than to anything else. A lead that waits an hour goes cold. Here's a real number from my own business. When a new lead comes in and gets a reply in under 5 minutes instead of a few hours, they book far more often. Same lead, same offer. The only thing that changed was speed. AI is perfect for that because it never sleeps and never forgets to reply. Sending invoices and chasing payments. That's your money sitting in someone else's account. And booking. Every missed call or unanswered message is a customer who booked somewhere else. Fix those 3 first. That's where AI pays for itself in a week. Everything else is a nice to have. Myth number 3, you need to be technical. You need to learn to code or become a prompt engineer. No, you don't. I'm not technical. I never learned to code. I built the entire system that runs my wife's studio and 3 other businesses myself by describing what I wanted in plain English and letting the AI do the hard part. The tools got good enough that the skill isn't coding anymore. The skill is knowing your business well enough to tell the AI exactly what good looks like. You already have that skill. You know what a good reply to a customer sounds like. You know your prices, your policies, your voice. That knowledge is the hard part. The AI is just the hands. Anyone telling you that you need a computer science degree to use AI in a small business is either selling a course or protecting their own job. Myth number 4. Buy the best, most expensive AI tool. The price of this stuff has collapsed. Tools that cost $500 a month 2 years ago do the same job for $50 now. Costs dropped roughly 60% in 2 years, and they're still falling. So the fancy tool is almost never the answer. The expensive one usually just has a bigger marketing budget. Pick the cheapest tool that does the specific job you need. Follow-up, invoicing, booking. You do not need an enterprise platform to run a business with no employees. Spending more on AI does not mean getting more from AI. It usually just means a bigger bill. Myth number 5, and this is the one people fear the most. AI replaces people, not the way they tell you. AI replaces tasks, not judgment. It's very good at the repetitive work. Answering the same question for the 100th time, drafting the follow-up, sending the reminder, pulling the report. It is not good at deciding what your business should be, or reading a difficult customer, or knowing when to break your own rule. That's still you. The mistake is thinking of AI as an employee you set and forget. The businesses that win treat it like a system that runs on their rules and their voice. Mine learns how I talk, follows my policies, and never clocks out. But I set the rules, it follows them, replace the tasks, keep the judgment. That's the whole game. Myth number 6. You have to move fast or you'll miss the AI wave. This is fear talking, and fear makes people buy things they don't need. Here's the truth. The businesses winning with AI right now are not the ones who move the fastest. They're the ones who fixed one thing at a time and actually kept it running. I didn't build my system in a weekend. I fixed one leak, got it working, then added the next. Boring, steady, one piece at a time. You are not late. The tools keep getting cheaper and better, which means waiting a few months and moving deliberately often beats rushing in and buying 10 things you'll never set up. Slow is smooth. Smooth is profitable. Ignore the countdown timers. So if the advice is wrong, what actually works? Stop collecting tools. Start building a system. A pile of AI subscriptions is not a system. A system is a few simple things wired to your business that run the same way every time, whether you're there or not. For me, that's what One Man OS is. One person, 4 businesses, no employees. A set of AI skills that each do one job well, that learn my voice and follow my rules, so the business runs while I focus on the parts that actually need me. You don't have to build it all at once. Start with one leak. Follow up. Fix that with the cheapest tool that works. Get it running on your rules. Then add the next one. That's it. That's the advice nobody's selling you something wants to give, because it's simple, it's cheap, and it works. If this made sense, that's what this channel is, an operator showing you what actually works, not what sells courses. I build these systems for my own businesses first, then show you exactly how. Subscribe and I'll show you the next one. One person, the right systems. That's the whole thing.